When it comes to pre-owned performance, come on home to Payne Pre Owned McColl, because we've got stuff like this. This is a pre-owned 2012 Ford Mustang GT Premium, and it's got a Roush mod to it. Roush engine, Roush supercharger. This thing is all go. It's black, it's beautiful. Alloy chrome Roush wheels, performance brakes all the way around. Those are Eagles, Goodyears. We go inside, we got leather and suede. 6-speed stick with an orange cue ball, manual handbrake. We've got our climate controls, radio controls. Inside the console, we've got connectivity here. Also, 60 mile an hour speedometer, big, huge tack. Oh yeah, this thing is, there's no heated seats, there's no vented seats. This thing is all go, and it only has just over 40,000 miles. Plenty of room in the trunk for all your gear for the track. It is official third state Roush, Jack Roush USA, on this pre-owned 2012 Ford Mustang GT Premium, right here at Payne Pre Owned McColl on the corner of McCall Avenue and Business 83 in McAllen, Texas. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have that performance car that you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.